Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing very well. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm gonna share with you very beautiful red clutches design ideas. In this video, you can see just one shade in the color of red. You can see different types of bags design ideas, mostly clutches design ideas. So guys, first of all, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And please press the bell icon. And I'm thankful to all those people who subscribe my channel. When you press the bell icon, you get all the notification of my videos. So guys, if you want to see more collection like this, so visit my channel. You can find different types of clutches design ideas and shoes and bags and different dresses design ideas.